Welcome to a new video of the parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me, a person who has a BMW E39. And the ABS fault light has come on and it also does not work, neither the speedometer nor the instantaneous fuel consumption. Let's see. Here the problem can come from two places. From the ABS module, like the one you see here, or it can come from a failure of the ABS sensor on the left rear wheel. It is a common error. When they bring us a vehicle with this problem, what we do is put it in the diagnostic machine, and normally, the fault that comes out is the left rear wheel sensor, but to confirm it, what we do is exchange it with the one on the right rear wheel. They are interchangeable. We take the vehicle for a spin, put it back in the machine, and if after that exchange, the same error continues, we already know that it is not a problem with the sensor, that the problem it comes from the ABS module. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.